Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight on the Royal Air Maroc application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page and tap on this plane icon in the middle of the screen. Then you should select your type of trip at the top. Then select your departure point on the left side of the screen. So type it in and then select your departure or your destination on the right side. And after that, you should select the number of passengers, then the class, select the departure and return date, tap on this check mark icon in the upper right corner and tap on search down below. And after that you will be able to check out the available flights at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.